What aspect of engineering do I feel the most comfortable with? Part of me loves recording because I love coaching a band, and I love getting them excited about the song, or when we get a really cool take. And I'm like a singer-songwriter myself, and I'm a vocalist, and so I'm always thinking about vocal parts and how that interacts with the band. So I love like working with the singer and being like, what if you sang this, or we added this harmony? So I love that collaborative moment of real people together in a studio. At the same time, there's a lot of pressure in tracking because you're thinking like an engineer. I'm also, at least me, because I'm doing it all myself, I'm thinking like the engineer, which is, can I get the right sound and can I get it quickly? I'm thinking like a producer, how is the song working, how's the arrangement working, and how is the talent feeling, are they comfortable? So a lot of times you're a coach. I've tracked bands where 3 of the members of the band are really talented and comfortable in the studio, and there's that one member that freezes up when you press record, and even though he or she can play, they can't seem to play when the red light's on, and so the band needs that person to perform. And so they're stressed out and they know that they're not doing a good job. And so now you're playing psychologist and you're coach and you're trying to make them feel comfortable and not feel stressed out when really you do need them to deliver. That's an exhausting thing. So part of that in the tracking realm I don't like. That's what I like about mixing, is that it's very just creative. It's just me alone in my space. I can have an espresso and I can just mix. And I like that, but then I don't like being alone the whole time and just like losing my mind and not having any feedback from anybody of, is this any good? Because sometimes you don't think it's any good, you don't know if it's any good. So it's easy to lose your mind in mixing land. So I think there's probably elements of both tracking and mixing that I like, but a little too much of either one and I go crazy.